Hey guys, Aked here, and today we are going to be playing Pixel Gun 3D. So, yeah, this is basically just like a shooting game where you freaking murder people and then you get money. Definitely my kind of game. So yeah, I'm gonna try the, there are different modes, like there's team, there's team, there's team fight, deathmatch, co-op, survival, deadly games, and flag capture. And today I am going to be playing deadly games with this right here. I am probably going to freaking die right away. Yeah. So here we are. Okay. I got this stupid freaking game. See? Dying right off the bat. Alright, let's spectate. This is awkward. Wait, look at their hands. Everybody who's left has the exact same skins. Okay, that's weird. That's just weird. Wait, nope, it's the same skin too. He's just in the night. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna play again. So yeah, I've tried to record like 50 times. One was like Five Nights at Freddy's, and I actually got Golden Freddy on camera. But I can't play it, but I can't post it because yeah, I can't post it, and that's just because the entire video was like upside down except for the beginning. Just so you know. Okay. Probably should run. Oh, whoa. Full health. Whoa, I almost got there. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Please don't run into anybody. This is the same room. I'm just gonna go. And I'm dead. There's this really awesome room that you can like hide in, and then you can like jump really high and you can like hide in spaces above without people noticing you. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find it. I thought it was like near yellow or something. And oh, come on, people, have mercy. That sounded really stupid. Okay, so, come on. Okay, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's decent, hopefully. Come on. Like a maze or something? Okay. This is definitely not the room. Last rival left already? Yes, this is the room, this is the room. Okay. I'm gonna wait for him to come in. I'll just like murder him. Wait a minute. I have a mech suit. Yes, I'll just use that on him. No, I won't. I have an awesome hiding spot. I'll save that. No, I won't. Boom. No. Seriously? Okay. Okay, so. Okay. Awesome, I'm gonna get the coins, that's nice. Hello? Hello? Okay, never mind. So. So you can buy it with my other. Where did it? Come on. Maybe that one. Against light. With light and light, they got half. What do I do? Where are they, buddy? Anybody here? I don't think there's anybody here. Hello? If nobody joins, then I'm just gonna win. Oh. And go. Got like a bird's eye view right here. So, man, if somebody comes, I can just check every native thing. Oh, this is boring. Whoa. Come on. That thing. jetpack with me, but I don't want to waste them. There's actually somebody there. Yeah, I'm gonna win. That's awesome. I didn't want to do. Of course I didn't. Alright, I'm gonna end it here and